Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be talking about how you can simply remove your video's background by using the chroma key option. Here in my case I'm using the Power Director as a video editor, but you can simply use KineMaster as well. But if you are using a PC, you can simply go for the Adobe Premiere, which is the best one. And right now, as you can see, I do have a green screen behind me, and it doesn't cost more than about 200 rupees. You can just get meters of clothes that is green in color from any kind of shops, and you can simply just hang it in the wall. Once you're done with it, you should make sure that the cloth is pressed well so that there aren't any kind of uneven surfaces. Once you make sure about that as well, now you should head towards recording your video. And as you can see, I am recording my video right behind my green screen, and I do have a light setup in front of me, backside of the green screen, and even in front of my face. That is so as to make my video look a bit attractive, and so that the video editor can easily assess the green color part and differentiate between me, the subject, and the green screen. So once you make sure all these things are done, you should head straight towards the editing session of the video. And once you go to your video editing session, all you need to do is you need to select the background for your video. And once you select the suitable background, now you are ready for the chroma key option. After setting the background, there you can see a layer option, and on the layer option, add a layer of the video that you are making right now. In my case, I will be using this video clip as a layer and a different background as a background for my video. And once everything is done, over that layer, after clicking, I can get the chroma key option, and by enabling it, I would adjust it so that it can be suited for my video. And once I think everything's done and everything's perfect, I would just simply play the video, and that is how it's done. It is that simple and easy. So hope you liked my video and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Till then, goodbye, and let's meet you in the next video.